WhatsApp has added a new layer of security to its messaging app. The Facebook-owned company announced that it would now offer end-to-end encryption to chat backups in Google Drive and iCloud as well. Earlier, only the WhatsApp chats were end-to-end encrypted, meaning nobody other than the sender and the receiver can access the chats, not even WhatsApp or Facebook. WhatsApp has said that it has become the only large-scale messaging app to offer end-to-end encryption to chat backups as well. Announcing the new development, Facebook Mark Zuckerberg said, "We're adding another layer of privacy and security to WhatsApp, an end-to-end encryption option for the backups people choose to store in Google Drive or iCloud." WhatsApp is the first global messaging service at this scale to offer end-to-end encrypted messaging and backups, and getting there was a really hard technical challenge that required an entirely new framework for key storage and cloud storage across operating systems. WhatsApp noted in the blog that if users choose to enable end-to-end encrypted backups once available, neither WhatsApp nor the backup service provider like Google or Apple will be able to access their backup or their backup encryption key. The messaging app revealed that it has developed an entirely new system for encryption key storage that works with both iOS and Android. The backups will be encrypted with a unique encrypted key. People can either choose to secure the key manually or with a user password. When someone opts for a password, the key is stored in a backup key vault that is built based on a component called a Hardware Security Module (HSM), specialized, secure hardware that can be used to securely store encryption keys. When the account owner needs access to their backup, they can access it with their encryption key, or they can use their personal password to retrieve their encryption key from the HSM-based backup key vault and decrypt their backup, WhatsApp said in the blog post.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.